topic, demerits of joint stock company or limitations of or drawbacks of joint stock company. First one, legal formalities. To form the joint stock company, the formation of a joint stock company is time consuming as well as expensive to formation of a company. In joint stock company, to maintain the different types of or many legal formalities have to be observed, and to prepare have to prepare different documents and also file it. It is the main drawbacks or disadvantage of joint stock company. I repeat again. Formation of a joint stock company is a time consuming and expensive in process. Many legal formalities have to be observed and many various documents have to be prepared and filed. It is the main disadvantage of joint stock company. Next one, lack of motivation. Lack of motivation means in a joint stock company there are some directors and other officers have a little personal involvement and the operation of business management. So their personal interest and involvement of the business, and they have no personal touch or direct touch to the customers, and it is difficult to direct touch to the customer and employees. This is the lack of motivation of the joint stock company. Next one, delay in decision. Red tape and democracy do not quick decision and prompt action. Personal or the paid employees like to play safe and shift the duty to other person. Single person cannot initiate to any decision. This is the meaning of delay in decision. Decision can be taken only the board of directors of a company. Next one, corruption of management. Corruption of management means the business joint stock company may be dangerous in few cases. Joint stock company often is dangerous for your operation. The bogus company may be formed and is proper and deprive the small investors of their hard earned. In some cases, board of directors and the promoters manipulate the voting rights or voting powers to long time control of their manipulate the voting right or voting power to continuous the hands of the control in own hands. This is the corruption. And economic oligarchies. Economic oligarchy means some person or few person or board of directors or some other promoters in control this type of business. So role and other controlled by these few person. This is called a oligarchy. Not মানে owner and the members and owners of the business and the management or controlled by the business, they are different. মানে members of the company are huge, but manage and control the business vested the power, মানে controlling power vested some people, মানে people name called directors. They are the representative of the shareholders or members. This is called a oligarchy. Thank you.